So Riley, I got a Ripstick. Remember this freaking oh man, I got got some in my eyes. My eyes are bloodshot. You want to do that again? So Riley, do you remember the Ripstick? The holy weapon of the Nerf kids order?
Yeah.
You do? What do you remember about it?
I mean, I have one in my basement still.
What do you remember about the Ripstick commercials?
They made it seem like it was the most versatile vehicle of all time. And it was just kind of like, hey, you can go around your basement a little if it doesn't have carpet.
Well, the thing is, it's actually really versatile. Like, because the skateboard's been pretty much the same for the past, like, I don't know, Back to the Future, when Marty McFly invented it. But this is actually the only, like, change in the design ever. Show me. Alright, Riley, so you know how to ripstick, but not to skateboard, is that correct?
Yes.
Millennium children. I bet you don't even remember 9/11, Riley.
You're right, I don't.
You don't even remember when the Saudis and the aliens went together?
No,
and
don't.
Show us how the Ripstick works.
I started riding the skateboard backwards, apparently. This is happening, I guess.
Alright, you ready to do the Ripstick? We can do a really cool, like, skate video with, like, with Sabotage by the Beastie Boys.
Not even the Beastie Boys.
Can't stand it. I'm on the planet.
My momentum appears to have stopped. I've hit a crack.
That's what he said. All right, Riley, Ripstick Master. It's time to learn the art of the Santa Monica Beach Kids. All right, so hop on to the thing.
So doing drugs and getting abused by your parents are we doing that today?
You're missing the blonde hair.
I've bleached it before.
All right, hop on. All right, so Riley, first put your back foot towards the heel of the board. Slide it. There you go. Now make it 90-degree turn.
What?
So your foot's facing out, not along.
What?
Your back foot, face it that way.
This way?
Yes, but a little further back. Okay, then you hop your front right foot and you put it towards the little screws at the front and you tilt it ever so slightly. And that's how you ride a longboard. You got it! You freaking got it, Riley.
I'm going backwards.
Alright, now get your... Okay, now you see, what you got to do then is you got to push with your back foot and to propel yourself forward. There you go. You got you got it.
It's so scary.
That's what she said. Riley, stop trying to do tricks. It's a longboard.
How do you do a kickflip?
You can't do tricks on a longboard. That's not...
How do they do it? They like go like...
You need a regular...
I did it! Why is the fucking cars on this thing all fucking day, and then when we want to film, I'm gonna skateboard. Shake, shit. Don't make fun of me. Jake, I think we're okay. Jake, fuck.
So anyway, Riley's back on his Ripstick.
Ripstick? More like Rip's dick, am I right? Oh shit! Wait! No, sorry! No! Yeah, I get pussy.